wonderful class. Initially, integrated subjects roll out to the curriculum wasn't very easy, but getting into it, I find it quite interesting. And today's lesson have really enhanced me again. And as we've been doing this, students get bored sometimes, and then students will say, "Again, teacher." Something like that. So students get bored, but from today's lesson, what I can take out is, of course, take away so many things, but one thing that stands out to me is do not integrate too much of like subjects at one go. Yeah. And also, if the days are too long, cut it short. Things that I can take away. Yeah, thank you so much. It was wonderful to attend your class. Thank you.